In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see or view a list of all audio devices installed on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select where it says System. And then on the right side, select Sound. And then if you want to see a list of all of your input devices, just want to go down and select where it says all sound devices. And then output devices should be listed right up here at the top and input devices at the bottom. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.